So welcome to Metro Network International YouTube channel. If this is your first time of joining us, kindly hit the subscribe button and also turn on the bell and notification button so you don't miss lovely updates and lovely guides like this. Now in this particular video, I'm going to be showing us a particular arbitrage opportunity I just discovered. And it's a very simple process and it's very simple for you to understand. So all you have to do is what? Pay close attention and then follow us gradually. Now, if we want to engage in this arbitrage, you must ensure that you have your Binance account in which you must have verified the Binance account. So you have to open the Binance account and then get it verified. So if your Binance account has been verified and it's very active, you're good to go. Then you need to have internet connection. You need to have your Android phone, a mobile phone. So what have you? So whatever you want to use in performing this arbitrage, you can actually use them. So right from your Binance, once you access your Binance, the mobile platform is going to be like this. It's shown on the screen right now. While the desktop or the PC interface is going to be like what we have here right now. By way together, so this is what we have here on what the desktop interface. So you're going to be having this. So if you want to perform this arbitrage, you need to now head over to this particular. So let us get to the top gainers and the top losers section. I think we need to head over to the market. Now, as you can see right here, these are what the top gainers. These are what, yeah, the top gainers for the week. Now, the sum total of 24 hours in volume. You understand? So you're going to be looking at what the top gainers on your mobile device. You're going to be seeing top gainers and top losers for the last 24 hours. So we are going to be looking at what the top gainers for the last 24 hours. Are we together? So there are a lot of them. A lot of them for the last 24 hours. There have been changes. So you just got to what identify the particular words. Let's get to view all of them. I've not logged into this Binance. I do hope we are going to. Okay, yeah, definitely we are going to see that. Okay. Now for the top gainers for the last 24 hours, as you can see, we have what Pawn, Sparta, Rad. These are their volume changes. Now we are going to what look at what Pawn, which has actually achieved 25.05 or let me say 24% changes in the last 24 hours. Let us look at Pawn. Are we together? Now let's head over to CoinMarketCap. Let's head over to CoinMarketCap and look forward for Pawn. Now let's look at what Pawn. Let's search for Pawn as POND. What we just saw what on Binance. Let's head over. Let's get Pawn. Okay, this is it. That's the Marlin crypto. Yeah, that's Pawn. This is it. Hmm. Okay, so now if we're going to look at all the markets that is currently available for Pawn, that is currently opening on trading all the crypto exchange platform, or crypto trading platforms that are actually were trading with this particular crypto. You understand? So I hope you understand what I just explained. So we are once you get that the particular crypto you want to trade with, you want to engage in the arbitrage with. You understand? So head over to what to CoinMarketCap, search for that particular crypto. Then we are going to be looking at all the markets that are open for trade. Understand? And then all the crypto trading platforms that are currently trading that particular crypto. So we are going to what? We are going to look at their current trading prices. Are we together? Now we head over to where? To market. So we should actually be seeing different crypto platforms, crypto trading platforms that are actually were trading this particular crypto. Now we have to make what comparison on the prices, and then so that we can actually make profits. The concept of arbitrage is all about what buying low, selling high. So we are going to be what buying this crypto in a different what exchanger or a different exchange trading platform for a lower amount, and then transferring to Binance or any other what trading platform that the price is practically high. So we're going to make what we're going to make profit from the disparity in the prices. Are we together? So now you're looking at this now. Now let's consider the prices. Are we together? Now you must understand that this not available here does not actually mean that this particular Uniswap is not reliable. No. Yeah. You understand? So it's actually an indication that at that particular point in time, uh, the confidence level is actually not available. You understand? So this the confidence uh, level of what of each of these particular trading platforms that we have here. So let's look at the one that has this that trades this particular what pawn for a significantly lower price. So now we have here zero point 0 for at gate.io we have 0.01611. Now we together. Okay, now we have this. This is relatively low. Okay, moderate. Here we can also trade on Hoibi very well. Hoibi Global is a very reliable trading platform. Confidence level is moderate. It doesn't mean they cannot trade. They can definitely trade very well. So we have this as 0.01158. Okay. Yeah, this is what this particular pawn is trading right now. Okay, let's see 0.001. Okay, now let's head to our calculator. Let's look at what we can actually get there. Let's look at 0.01158. Okay, now the price pawn at the Binance is what is currently at what? Okay, that's 0.0158 as well. Let's make the comparison right here. Now we head over to okay, as you can see, okay, one slash USDT. Okay, it's trading at what 0.016. So let's say this minus 0.016. This what 0.004. Are we together? 0.00442. Okay, but for this particular crypto, we might not be getting a good profit for those that will be having issues with the statistics or the mathematical the calculations that are involved here. Let me not really bore you with this. Let's head over to let's consider a different let's consider a particular crypto that is also profitable that the value is significant. Let's look at Prom. Yes, let's look at this Prom. Yes, PRM. It's the value here is at what? The current value right now is 5.76. So yeah, let's look at Prom here. Let's consider PROM. Let's consider Prom. So let's consider Prom. The value is what 5.77. Let's look at let's check the current market prices for these particular crypto. Okay, now let's consider the different crypto trading platforms and their different prices. Let's take note of this. This is arbitrage. You must ensure uh, we are going to make profit. Now look at what we have here on Bits Global. It's currently trading at what 3.25. Are we seeing that? Yes. At Bit Global is currently trading at what? Yeah, 3.25. Are we together? Yeah. So once this is Bit Global, let's look at Bits Global. That is Bit Global, a crypto trading platform as well. This is it. Are we together? Yeah, this is what Bits Global. This is what Bits Global. Now you can actually get on Bit Global, register an account. Now, yeah, you fund your account with USD Theta, which is the basic crypto. You can actually fund any particular trading platform with. Fund it with what? With USD Theta. Then from there, you can actually buy this particular crypto prom. Are we there? So you buy this via what? As you can see, it's trading right here on Bit Global. The confidence level is moderate. Like I said, this does not mean that they are not reliable. They are very reliable. Are we together? Okay. Now, but we can also consider the liquidity. Are we together? Liquidity is what is one. That means the amount of Prom that is currently being traded in this particular platform, this Bit Global, is relatively low. So if you buy, it will be difficult for you to watch, to take out, you understand, withdraw or exchange or trade that particular crypto. Are we together? So let us leave this one. Let us head over to another crypto. And this is how you do. Now, for you to profit from what? This arbitrage, you need to compare the prices and then you make profit from what? From the disparity in the price. As you can see, I wish if we had a higher liquidity here, we would have what? Gone here to buy this what? This, are we together? Then exchange to what? So once you buy, you fund your account with what? With US Theta. Buy this prom. Once you buy, so you for you to also now let me tell you the problem we're always facing is what is the transaction fees. So to cut they cut down the transaction fees. You do what once you buy this crypto, trade it, swap it to what USD Theta, so they can transfer it from that particular trading platform to Binance in USD Theta, in which the transaction fees is what is always what $1. Always what $1. Put together. So that is so that you can always cut off what the transaction fees. Now, once you can do that, now you come over to Binance. You can see in Binance is trading at what 5.72. So you can imagine 5.72, 5 point what 72 minus what minus 3.25 minus 3.25 minus 3.25. This will have been what 2.47. That's you can imagine. That means if you're buying worth of what $500 worth of this, if you're buying yes worth of $500 worth of this, you're making a whole lot of profit. That means if you understand, so now it's gonna be a very good profit. You understand? So for you to make higher profit, you need to have higher capital. So if I'm trading with what with $300, I'm not going to be making the exact profit someone that is trading with what $1,000 will be making. Are we together? So you make good profit. Imagine for just 5.72 dollar profit. Sorry, 5.72. You're going to be trading, and then if you're that is just for one of that prom. That means if you're getting up to what? You're getting up to 100 pieces of that particular crypto, you'll be making this time 100 of that. Are we together? So now that's what we're talking about. Now we are going to consider another crypto. Let's look at bond. You'll always have to work search and understand that anyone that is what very profitable, you can work with that one. So let's look at bond. So let's look at bond now. This is actually trading what at 18.93. You understand? So now let's look at the various prices across different markets. So let's look at this. Okay, so now let's look at the different prices across each of the markets. Okay, as you can see, uh, okay, we can see this. This is what a crypto. Okay, as you can see, okay, here we have this particular crypto trading platform, Folgori. Are we together? The current price is what? Is what? It's 10.60. As you can see, are we together? 10 point what? 60. So we are going to head over to Folgori. This was the trading platform we talked about. Are we together? Now let's head over to what? Folgori. Folgori. Are we together? Now this is what? Folgori. Now it's what? Yeah. We have to visit Folgori. Now I told you there are some parameters you need to consider before trading. You understand? So look at Folgori here. Look at the current price. This is the traded volume. Are we together? As you can see, the confidence level is moderate and the liquidity is also very high, 292. That means people are actually trading this particular bond on Folgori World Trading Platform. So it's a good crypto to actually engage in this arbitrage. You understand? So we are going to make good profit here. So now we head over to this Folgori and fund our account. Get over here. Do what? Yes, we can actually create your account, log in and register. Are we together? So you log in and register. So once you do that, you can actually what? Get verified. Yeah, sign up. It's as simple as that. You input your what? Your email address. Input your email address. Let's yes, email address and your password. So we sign up. So once you sign up here, you understand? So I'm just going to show you how to sign up. Now ensure you verify your accounts. Ensure you do what? You verify your account. So once that is being done, you do what? Fund your account with what? With USD Tether. It's very easy and simple because you won't be what? You won't be bothered about the transaction or charges. So if you want to fund your account, use the what TRC20, the Tron network. You understand, to actually fund your account so that the transaction fees will always be $1. Are we together? So once you fund your account with what? With USD Tether, then go ahead to buy the bond, trade the bond. Are we together? Just go to the market and do what? Are we together? Now we can actually use to go back to the home page, or we log in, or we go to the market and do what we buy. Are we together? Now we can actually log in and then you do what you trade. Are we together? Now let's look at the bond we talked about there. That's bond. Are we together? We're going to search for bond right here. And as you can see, So yes, as you can see, your bond here. You do what? What you have to do is what is to buy your bond. Are we there? So once you buy your bond on 4J for what this, the next thing for you to do is what? You actually what convert it to what to USD theta, so they can be able to what transfer it from here to what transfer it from here to your Binance that is trading currently at what 18 point what 82. Are we there? So you can imagine this 18 point what 18.82 minus 10.6. This should give us what $8.22 in one what single transaction for a lower amount. We should just buy one. So that means if you can fund your account with about $500 and buy this worth of what crypto, you're going to make a huge amount of profit. Are we together? So it's unlimited. So you can perform this a couple of times in a day. You understand? So that is it. Now that is how you can actually profit from this particular what arbitrage opportunity. If that is what the too massive, as you can see, we can actually consider. I don't look at. We have the liquidity here is one. I don't like this. Don't go for that. Always go for those one in which the liquidity is very high as well. Are we together? So now we can also look at this one. This is Bitcoin. Bitcoin is what at 6.17. Liquidity is 3. You can also trade here. Understand? So, but it will relatively take at least 30 minutes to 1 hour to actually perform execute your transaction. But it is worth it if you can trade it what with $500 to $1,000 and above. So one single transaction can give you a lot of profit. Imagine 18.87 minus 6.17. So that's the amount of profit you'll be making. Are we together? So that is what we are talking about. As you can see, you can perform this. Now, you can also look at this. Now, this is what we are talking about when it has to do with. Now, look at Hotbit as well. Now, Hotbit is currently now, this is very good. Hotbit is universal. Everybody is very, very conversant with what with Hotbit. People like to trade with what with platforms they are very familiar with. So, this is also very good. Look at Hotbit. Get over to Hotbit, buy this bond, trade bond. Now, we together. Buy for what? 15.06. Are we together? As you can see, once you do that, convert to what to US theta, then you can now transfer it to what to Binance, and then trade for what 18 point what 82. Are we together? So you can see this. This is massive. You make profit from here. So you can imagine 18 point what 18. You can imagine point 18.82 minus what 15.02. This is what 3.8 in one single word. As you can see, 3.82. If you're doing this times what? Possibly you bought about $500 worth of this, or let's keep it on a minimal. Let's say you do your operating with what? $300 worth of this. Are we together? So this 3.82, which will be like $300. Are we together? So you're going to be making a good amount of profit. Are we together? So now you don't go there by buying just one. Take note of that. You don't go there by buying just one. You can go there by buying, if one is what 15.02. Are we together? So you can buy what? Let's say you are buying 10. If you're buying 10 is about what? $152. If you are buying about 15.02 and you're buying about, let's say you're buying about 30. Yeah, this is about $450. Are we together? Yeah, $450. So are we together? So now if you perform this single transaction, are we together? So this is 450. Are we together? And this is about 450. So each of those transactions we're making about what? Now let's say that's 18 point what 82 minus what 15.02. This will give us what 3.8. So this, are we together? This is what 3.82. Are we together? So and we bought times what 30 of this. We're buying 30 pieces. So you're making what $114 in one single transaction using what $450 as startup. Lovely. So thank you guys for watching. Do ensure you subscribe to this YouTube channel so you don't miss lovely updates, lovely guides like this. See you in my next lovely video.